Hey, coffee lovers! Tired of the same old cup of joe? Feeling sluggish by lunchtime? Well, I've got you covered. Today, we're diving into the world of high-energy coffee variations that will supercharge your day. Get ready for a caffeine boost like never before. Wait until the end. Don't miss out on anything. Number 1. Bulletproof coffee. First up, we have the legendary bulletproof coffee. This bad boy is a favorite amongst keto enthusiasts and biohackers. Here's what you need. 1 cup, 8 ounces, freshly brewed hot coffee, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter from grass-fed cows, 1 or 2 teaspoons MCT oil. Simply blend everything until it's bubbly and delicious. The healthy fats provide sustained energy and mental clarity that will last hours. Just a heads up, this is definitely a rich and creamy experience. But trust me, the energy boost is worth it. Number 2, Proffee. Next, we have a trendy twist on your regular iced coffee. Proffee. This protein-packed powerhouse combines your caffeine kick with a muscle-building boost. You'll need 1 cup of cold brew coffee, 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder, vanilla or chocolate work best, ice. Shake everything together in a shaker bottle or blend it for a smoother texture. Proffee is perfect for a post-workout pick-me-up or a filling breakfast on the go. Number 3, coffee smoothie. Let's get healthy with a coffee smoothie. This is a great option for those who want their caffeine fix with a nutritious twist. Here are some delicious combinations you can try. Chocolate banana coffee, smoothie. Berry blast coffee, smoothie. Tropical coffee, smoothie. The possibilities are endless. Get creative with your favorite fruits, veggies, and protein sources. Number 4, dirty chai latte. Calling all spice lovers, the dirty chai latte combines the warm, comforting flavors of chai with a shot of espresso for an extra kick. You can easily make this at home or order it from your local coffee shop. The combination of caffeine and warming spices like cinnamon and ginger makes this drink perfect for cozy mornings or chilly afternoons. Number 5, matcha latte with a shot of espresso. For those seeking a more zen-like energy boost, the matcha latte with a shot of espresso is the way to go. Matcha is known for its sustained energy and focus-enhancing properties. Here's what you'll need. 1 teaspoon matcha powder, hot water, 1 cup steamed milk of your choice, 1 shot of espresso. This combination provides a smooth, balanced energy boost without the jitters. Number 6, Vietnamese coffee. Let's travel to Vietnam for our next coffee adventure. Vietnamese coffee is known for its strong, bold flavor and sweet, creamy finish. The slow drip method extracts a concentrated coffee that's then mixed with sweetened condensed milk. This is a powerful pick-me-up that will definitely wake up your taste buds. Number 7, nitro cold brew. For a smooth, velvety coffee experience with a natural energy boost, try nitro cold brew. The nitrogen creates tiny bubbles that give nitro cold brew a creamy, almost Guinness-like texture. It's refreshing, naturally sweet, and provides a clean caffeine kick. Number 8, Cascara tea latte. Looking for a coffee alternative with a unique flavor profile? Cascara tea is made from the dried skins of coffee cherries and has a naturally sweet, fruity flavor. To make a Cascara tea latte, simply brew the tea and combine it with steamed milk and your choice of sweetener. It's a delicious and invigorating drink that's perfect for any time of day. Number 9, coffee popsicles. Cool down and energize with coffee popsicles. These frozen treats are perfect for a hot day or a post-workout snack. Number 10, Daiwai flavored coffee beans. Take your coffee game to the next level by infusing your own beans with exciting flavors. Simply toss your favorite beans with spices, extracts, or even essential oils. Let the beans sit for a few hours to absorb the flavors before grinding and brewing as usual. So there you have it, 10 high-energy coffee variations to supercharge your day. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more coffee inspiration. Thanks for watching.